You will need sewing equipment, two pieces of material, note, we are using old bed sheets, two 10cm long pieces of elastic. Step 1. Measure a piece of paper 27 centimeters long by 15 wide. Note, for children, measure the paper 23 centimeters long by 12 centimeters wide. Step 2. Use the paper to cut one rectangle from each material. Step 3. Cut the two 10cm long pieces of elastic if it wasn't done already. Remember, when you start or end sewing a section, sew back and forth to give strength to the thread. Step 4. Place one end of the elastic in the corner. Step 5. Cover the bottom piece and elastic with the second piece of material. Note, make sure the designs on the materials face each other on the inside. Step 6. Put a needle on the elastic in the corner to hold it in place. Step 7. Repeat this with the other elastic. Note, the elastics should both be on one of the long sides. Step 8. Start sewing from the corner with the first elastic. Sew along the long side to the corner with the other elastic. Step 9. Sew down the short side. Note, don't sew down the elastic when you sew down the short side. Stop about 2 centimeters away from the corner. Step 10. Reach into the two materials and grab the end of the elastic for that side. Place the end in the corner and sew it down. Step 11. Sew 1/3 of the next long side. Step 12. Leave a gap that is another third of the long side. Step 13. After the gap, continue sewing the last third of the end. Stop 2 centimeters from the end. Step 14. Grab the end of the first elastic, put the end in the corner. Step 15. Sew the elastic in place. Step 16. Continue from the corner and sew the last side closed. Note: do not sew the elastic down on the side. Make sure the elastic is on the inside of the mask and not hanging outside. Step 17. Turn the mask inside out using the hole. Step 18. Iron the mask flat. Remember, stay 2 meters apart from others. Step 19. Crease the mask at about 1/3 from the top. Step 20. Fold the crease down towards the middle. Step 21. Iron over the fold. Step 22. Repeat the same with the bottom. Remember, wash your hands for 20 seconds. Step 23. Put pins in the folds to hold them in place. Step 24. Sew along the sides of the mask. Step 25. Wear the mask when you go in public. Remember, stay home when possible.